Good morning, students. Today is 29/6/20. We are on the chapter long and short. Today we are going to discuss one question from your math magic books. It is on inter-school sports meet. It is on page number 16, and here first we have to know what is inter-school sports meets. These two words are very important. Inter-school means more than one schools. When many schools are participated, so this is a sports meets in which more than one schools participated. It is a 100-meter race for girls in which students of different schools will come and participate. So I think now it is clear what is inter-school sports meets. Now here some data are given in your math book that some students, Arundhati, she was 6 meters from the finishing points. She was just near to 6 meters from the finishing point, and behind her there is Rehana. Distance is not given. Distance of Rihanna is not given, that how much far she from finishing point. And then Konkana and Uma. This is your finishing point. I have made the 100-meter race ground, and this is your finishing point. This is flag. Those who reach first, they will win. She will win. She is Arundhati. She is just 6 meters from Rehana. 6 meters from finishing point. Behind her, Rehana. And behind Rehana, there is Konkana and Uma. They are on the same point. So, now, some question is asked on your math magic books related to this race. So we will see. This is your cover page of math magic book. We have to go on page number 16, and here is the question. First question is, how far is Rehana from Arundhati? How far is Rehana from Arundhati? Now, we have 4 options related to each of these question. We have 3 questions. For all these 3 questions, we have 4 options. First option is 3 meters. Second option is 6 meters. Third option is 10 meters. And fourth option is 15 meters. It is an assumption based question. We have to assume the distance. There is some logic behind this question. There are 3 questions on page number 16 related to this inter-school sports meets, and all these questions are based on these 4 options. Okay? Understand? First question is, how far is Rehana from Arundhati? This is logical question. Now see the distance of Arundhati from the finishing point. It is 6 meters. It is 6 meters. Okay. Now see the distance of between Rehana and Arundhati. This distance is less than the distance of Arundhati from finishing point. So distance of Rehana from Arundhati less than 6 meters. So it will be only one option, and that option is 3 meters. So our answer will be 3 meters. The distance between Rehana and Arundhati is less than 6 meters. So answer will be 3 meters. Now second question, how far ahead is Rehana from Konkana and Uma? Now how far ahead is Rehana from Konkana and Uma? So we have to measure the distance between them. This distance we have to find. Now see, this distance is greater than the distance between Rehana and Arundhati, and if we will see, this distance is exactly double to the distance between Rehana, Konkana and Uma. You can see that with this marker pen I will measure. This is the distance between Rehana and Arundhati. This whole white will cover. Now this is, so 2 times it covers the distance between Rehana and Arundhati. So what is the answer? What is the distance between Rehana and Konkana Uma? So it will be 6 meters, and you can see it is in our option. Yes, 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters. So 6 meters is there. So our answer is 6 meters. Now we will see third question. Our third question, how far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? Now these two, we have to cover the distance from finishing line to this to Konkana and Uma. So we have to cover this, we have to measure this distance. Okay, already this is measured. We have to just calculate the distance. This is 6 plus 3. All of you know that 6 plus 3 is 9. So we have calculated distance Konkana Uma to Arundhati. Now we have to count the distance from Konkana Uma to finishing point. 9 plus 6. We have to add all these 3 distance. So it is 15 meters. Understand, students? Very easy question, na? All of you can do it. Now we will take second concept. Before taking the second concept, I am going to draw a cake here. Suppose this is a cake, a circular cake. Okay, but we write it one cake. It is a one cake, na? Yes, this is a, we will say this is a one cake. What will happen if I draw a line between it and I will cut it like this and separate it from the whole cake? Cake, na? So what we will write? Half a cake. It is a half of a cake. So it is a half a cake. Now you will say that we are talking about long and short, centimeter, meter, kilometer. What is the use of this? So it is very useful because now you will see its use. You know, 100,000 meter equal to how many kilometer? Do you know? Tell me how many kilometer? In 1 kilometer, how many meter? 1000 meters. So 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So if 1000 meter, we will write 1 kilometer. Like it is a one cake. So it is a whole things. When we make it half, so half of 1000 meter, it will 500 meter. So what we will write? Remember the previous point. When we make it half, then we write it half a cake. So when we make 1000 meter half, so we will write it half a kilometer. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer, so 500 meter equal to half a kilometer. Understood? So now question can come in your exam. What we will say to 1500 meter? So 1500 meter can be write as 1000 meter plus 500 meter. Is it correct? 1000 plus 500, 1500 meter. But what we say to 1000 meter? 1000 meter. What we say to 1000 meter in kilometer? In kilometer we say 1000 meter to 1 kilometer. So we will write here 1 kilometer. So what we say to 500 meter? Half a kilometer. So we will write it like 1.5 kilometer. 1.5 kilometer. 1 means 1000 meter, half means 500 meters. So 1.5 kilometer. Understood? Can you do one more question? So if question will come 2500 meter. So first of all, how can we write it in partition? 2000 meter plus 500 meter. Yes, very good. Now we have to convert it into kilometer. Means we have to write in kilometer. So this is 2000 meter. 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. 2000 meter means 2 kilometer. Very good. And 2000 meter means 2 kilometer. So we write here 2. And what is the meaning of 500 meter? 500 means half a kilometer. So 2.5 kilometer. 2.5 kilometer. I think now you understand the topics, and there is no any doubt. For today class, only this much.